We decide the scope based on the size of the team. So if we're dealing with a really small team, our director of operations is going to be much more hands-on. So really about the smallest teams we would deal with are about teams of 5, in which case you wouldn't bother with having a separate project manager and a director of operations. In that case, we would be looking for the director of operations to be quite hands-on. In saying that, in my business, how we do it is we have a partnership. We have the director of operations, who is, as I said, on a fractional basis. I've also have my team in the Philippines, and they can provide a lot of support with some of the more repetitive sides of it. It really depends on the team size. So when you're looking at now a team of 20 or 30, that director of operations, they're just going to be dealing with the people at the highest level, the team leaders, if you like. So the head of marketing or head of sales, the operations leads. Then you would have a dedicated operations lead and finance. So they would try and remain in that place and then provide guidance to the operations person in that space, so how they're going to get their ship in order if it's currently going a little bit off course.